Good morning, my lovely kids. Let's start our English class. Today, we will write words with H. With H, our first word is hen. Let's learn the sound of this word. So, H letter sound is H. H. And EN sounds together N. N. Now blend these sounds together. H, N, hen. H, N, hen. H, N, hen. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. You know, kids, a hen is the mummy of chicks. Now, our next word, hat. So, H letter sound is H and AT sounds together at. Now blend these sounds together. H, at, hat. H, at, hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. This boy is wearing a brown color hat. Now our next word, hot. So H letter sound is H and OT sounds together ought. H, ought, hot. H, ought, hot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Kids, see this girl? She is feeling hot under the sun. And now we will write down these words in our copy. So take out your pencil eraser and your English copy. Write words with H. W-R-I-T-E. Write words. W-O-R-D-S. Words with. W-I-T-H. With H. So kids, you will write each word 3 times. Okay? And now our first word with H is hen. Capital H, small e and small n. Hen. Now give gap and write down again. H, E, N. Hen. One more time. H, E, N. Hen. Now our next word. Hat. Capital H, small a, small t. Hat. Give gap and write down again. H, A, T. Hat. One more time. H, A, T. Hat. Now next word. Hot. Capital H, small o, small t. Hot. Give gap and write down again. H, O, T. Hot. One more time. H, O, T. Hot. So kids, you will write it in your English copy. And now our class is over. So bye bye.